All right, so we're here at the very cool hard water ice fishing expo again. It's already time. I didn't even realize it was gonna be time already, so here we are. Let's check it out. I have some info. Today's Friday. They have a afternoon time, but it's gonna go on to Sunday. Information will pop up. Oh, they got the cool trout pond again. Very cool trout pond. Got for the kids, so you want to take your kids, come have some fun. Definitely you can do it. Very, very cool. All right. RoboView underwater. Hey.
It's the first ROV for ice fishing. So you drive down the hole, cruise around, we got VR goggles, you can see what's under the ice.
Oh, okay.
Or if you want to use it in the summertime, plop it over the edge of your boat or off your dock and drive it around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's specifically designed for ice fishing?
For ice fishing.
Oh, okay, so that one controls I got right now.
No.
Oh, the different system. Oh, okay. But that's the glasses that you can see. But that's the same thing as what we see on the screen too, correct?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Trout pond over here that I shot.
Oh, dang. Okay.
So that's recorded. So that's the trout pond. They're like half over there. So.
Oh, okay. That you can. Oh, wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. But then you can live view at the same time too, right?
Yep.
Hook it up to your TV like this.
This could be live view as well.
Oh, okay. They can see what's happening underneath. And how far can you go down?
It's got a 75-foot cord.
75-foot. Okay. Oh, dang. Okay. All right. So this is RoboView.
Yep.
UX 7000 underwater ROV. Okay. What is the price for this guy? This whole setup.
$28.95.
Okay.
So it's the VR goggles, the hard case, the RoboView controller, SD card, all your chargers.
So the whole package comes ready to go. What is the battery life for that rover?
Batteries built in.
Okay.
So
Yep.
all the batteries are lithium-ion.
Okay. And how long is those?
Double A's that are in the controller.
Okay. Yep.
And even those are supplied here on Energizers.
Okay. Okay.
Probably about a month.
The drone itself, the rover itself. How many hours of usage?
We started this at about 150.
Okay.
So anywhere from 2 to 5 hours, depends on what you're doing.
Okay. And then how long does it take to full charge from draining?
Probably a couple hours. Yeah.
Okay, so like would you say 2, 3, 4 hours?
Probably only a couple hours.
Okay, 2 hours for full charge, and you can't have second batteries or replace. Have multiple. Okay, so
Yeah,
just
it's all sealed.
okay
That way,
because of waterproof and all this.
Boat, right?
Okay. Yep. Okay. Very cool. But you could just grab it, leave it, and let's say, for example, I wanted a specific feet, like let's say 20 feet. I want to keep it there. How does it maintain that? Is it
Yeah, so it's neutrally buoyant, so it'll stay at that depth.
of wherever I dive into? Okay, but there'll be some movement, some shifting, but I can just control up and down.
Just watch it kind of sit there. Right?
Yep,
She's
yep.
driving right now, but it just
Okay.
kinda wants to sit there.
Okay. So what do you guys say this is more used for? Is it more for just to give you a view or actually scouting, or is it kind of mix of all of that, or what would
Yeah,
you say?
you can scout fish with it. So you go on the ice, go to the hole, drive it around, see what's down there.
Yep.
A lot of people just have it in the fish house. Like,
Okay. Just for just to get okay.
Like I used to fish all the time. I haven't fished since I made it, right? 'Cause
Yep.
I just like seeing the fish.
Okay, okay. So instead of just a standard underwater, you're like, you know what can I do to make it have movement and say, okay.
So
Cool.
like this is the view right now.
Right now? Okay. Oh, okay, yep.
And again, it's kind of washed out with all the lights and stuff.
Yeah, okay. But this is how it looks like. And how far can I be away from this machine before I lose transmission?
It's pretty low
Was it
right
close?
now.
Okay.
Probably 20 feet or something.
Okay.
You know, it's made for inside
Yeah.
fish house.
Okay.
You know, usually you have these on the controllers, right?
Yeah, next to you. Okay.
Probably 20 feet right now. Yeah, and it'll still work. It'll probably just have more static.
Yeah. Then some of that flickers and stuff like
But
that.
usually you're driving it with these on. So
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's very cool. So there's no real difference in what happens if you get stuck in weed or what happens?
Yeah, so we
just yank it out or?
Cable, for 65 pounds.
Oh, okay. So you have to yank it through some branch or whatever. The attachment that you have from your testing should be good enough to be able to pull it out from any kind of.
I pulled weeds like a boat anchor, right?
Really? Does that? Okay. Very cool. So that does give you that option for like open water fishing. You're just having fun to go or whatever. But in winter time, you're not going to have too much of those issues. But okay, there is
we
a.
tell people like we gotta, this is our first launch. I've had other people try this. And we'll try to stay on top of the weeds. We can go through some weeds.
Okay.
But eventually, like you can have a 200 horsepower Avenue.
Yeah.
It's gonna get bogged down.
Yeah. True. Yeah. Just the momentum and all that stuff coming, tied it up. Okay. Yep. Oh, okay. And then you can do all your fixings. All right. So RoboView. And where do you guys build these? Are they in Minnesota? You guys. Okay, so it is in Minnesota. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. All in house. No need to do anything. It's just okay. All right. Yeah, no, I haven't seen this. I see some of the things that they advertise on Amazon, and it's like, well, okay, but for something like this that's light, and I can see the potential, like what you say, for ice houses, people just want to see and sit and chill. And
it's just so fun.
Yeah, it is, especially being able to control up and down and go around. Yeah.
We were on Mille Lacs, so we went on Spirit Island.
Okay.
Following around this huge smallmouth.
Oh, dang. Okay. All right, cool.
Well, she was out fishing before that.
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
It's a drone price.
Yeah, thank you. All right, so that was very cool. RoboView, it's a Minnesota company or Minnesota business, building a cool underwater rover. So we got Outfitter's Edge, ice hole heater.
This has been in here since 10 or 11 years. So it's still going to insulate it because the ice has to freeze out underneath it. So that's exactly. I also thought it'd be cool that if you never put your underwater camera on your tip-offs, like northerns or walleyes, I thought it'd be cool to put it next to your tip-off that's sitting out 20, 30 feet from your ice house. And then you can see when a fish comes to your tip-up and then whack that shiner or whatever.
Oh, okay, I see.
Oh, really?
Just add hand warmers for up to 12 hours free tip-up. 10 times bobber float time. Protect your stuff. Use hot or cold. So you buy this thing, fill up hand warmers, put over your hose.
Well,
Okay.
My manufacturing run is pretty light, so if you do want one, I only have 20 left for the rest of the show. I've already sold a third of what I have.
Ice hole heater.
So I'm an artist as well. So I'll be at Colorado downtown. I'm a metal fab artist. So I'll be at.
Okay, very cool.
So that's what I'm doing. But if you do want to try one.
All right, Hard Water Expo. So we're in the second building. So we have to go to the other building. So the other side, that's where the main stuff is. That's where we'll be going. All right, so this building is where they have the other little, that grand hall that has some of the vendor, and that's where the trout pond is, and the seminars. And then the other building, that's the one that we came to last time that has all of this stuff. So that's where we're going, the main building. But yeah, here's some ice houses they have for sale, models that you can see and look and see how it is out here in the parking lot. Daytime parts is better, but they are lighted and heated for some of them or most of them. So definitely can still check them out during the nighttime. But yes, it is on this side, this other building, the Sports Expo Center. That's where the rest of the main vendors are. So the other building, the Welcome Center, is where you You can go for the seminars in the trout pond and the other vendors in there. And then we're on to the next one right here. Yep, so Sport Expo Center is the main building. I believe this one we came last time. Oh, okay, so you do get tickets over there. All right, let's go, dude. Oh, you do have a ticket booth there. All right. Yep. Hey. All right, so Ultimate Outdoors, Castle Winch, Freight Master Ice Auger. Okay. So the main one is Sports Expo Center. Oi. All right, so got some winders, UV Northern Lights, multifunction hole lights, Fish Daddy, Dirty Bomb. Oh dang, what the heck?
We got our shit, Kelly.
Whoa, very cool. Okay, what is this? Fish Daddy. All right, you want a drink or anything?
Yeah, sure.
You do? Okay, so my mic setup kind of died, so we'll see if this works using the front mics of my GoPro. Hopefully you guys can hear me. If not, I'll have to narrate over it, but yeah, let's take a look at the stuff here.
Popcorn.
All right, so we got the clam guys here. Clam. What was this? Blue ribbon. Zipper pull cutter. Oh, nice. The cool zipper line. Yep. Cool stuff. My phone charging bowl. Oh. Fish house float.
Like a medium action walleye rod? It's not super flimsy, it's different. I'd say, I mean, it's all personal preference, but I know we sell a lot. Cougars are very common. They're not super expensive.
Okay. 40% off St. Croix Avid series. Okay. So 40% off what they have here.
That's the 25, that one's 89.
Helix.
That one's 59, so that's the smaller size.
419, 519, 950.
Some guys like to go on the main.
Oh, I got that's a late 319. Oh, here's 569, 529, 519, 459, 370.
Goodbye.
I gotta get it out of here. I'm just gonna pull up.
So special. Versablind, pre-float jacket, rib, ice runner, explorer. Oh, what the heck? Oh, wow. Under 50 pounds.
Free replacement windows for life.
Hey, that's pretty cool. Under 50. Plus free float jacket or blip. So special. Ice runner explorer. Full insulated, under 50 pounds. Hey, that actually looks pretty cool. This is a small sled. Fully insulated. So definitely a run and gun kind of house. What is this? Ice runner stock $2.99. The anatomy of a spear is sight fish. Oh, so it's pitch black, dark. Can't see anything in here. What you need? Hey, this is the very cool cooking thing. Oh. Attachments. This one. And all these other cool things here. Oh. Ice water. Float. Oh, okay, so ice water full float suits. Was $2.99, $1.99. Big difference. Check it out. Very cool. What was all this? Oh, otter. Got the otter houses. What the thing was this? Okay, that's cool. Flip over. It's like a 2-man. More like a 1-man. 1.5 man. Okay. Very cool. There's a 2-man. Yeah, there's a 2-man setup. And it's what? 3-man. 3-man setup. Yep. Expo Lodge XT Crossbow. These are kind of like their square foot stuff. Got the Otter XT Lodge. Yeah, big bench. Yeah, we got like 4 people.
As much as you can fit.
Okay, yeah. 4 people.
Big, medium, small, extra
Yeah,
small.
big, small, medium, large. All that good stuff. So,
This one's like the first one, it just says bigger.
yeah, it's got a window right here.
But this one has 2 people with it.
Yep, yep. So very cool. No, we don't need that. Okay, let's go. Pole series, neck gator, wrist gators, neck hold, neck gator, skull and hat. All right. We got. Oh, okay. So you can cut anything?
Basically any lake, yep.
Any
lake.
lake.
Or these ones are topographical land.
Oh, okay.
So that one's almost basically anywhere in the world that can do this.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
How long does it take?
About 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay. From initial order and then
Yep.
sending and receiving.
Yep.
All right. So cool. So it's like a laser etching? Is this what it is?
Yeah.
A wood etch or
Yep.
what is it called?
Yeah, it's laser engraving.
Oh, laser
And-
engraving.
yeah.
Okay.
And then what this is it's a folding shelf. So if you have like a wheelhouse or an RV or something like
Okay.
that,
Yep.
you flat up against the wall when you're not using it.
Yep.
You can engrave the front of it, have a nice piece of art or whatever.
Mhm.
But when you want, say you're in a wheelhouse, you want to have a hole. You put this just a couple feet
That's your countertop or something.
well, you put this a couple feet above your ice hole, right?
Oh, okay.
So you flip it up,
Okay.
you know, and then there's a little pin down here.
Yep.
That goes in the
Insert
hole.
that thing. Oh.
So now it's not going to close up. You put
Okay.
your flasher on here, and you're just above your hole. That way you're not staring at the floor all day.
Okay.
You know,
I see.
then your neck doesn't hurt
Sure,
as much.
then is that kind of like eye level or the
Exactly,
seat or
yeah.
whatever? Okay.
Exactly, so.
How much is this folding shelf there?
If you want it engraved with like a fish icon or a lake or whatever, it's
Yeah.
$55. Otherwise, you got the lake. Otherwise, you do a fish.
Oh,
and
okay.
then if you just want a plain
Basic,
one,
yep.
$35.
Okay. All right. Cool. Hey, that is kind of cool. You're right. Like if you
Yeah, and when
set
you're
up
not,
everything-
when you're
boom,
done with it, you
done.
just pop it up. It
Does
folds
it
up
also
nice.
fold up the other side too? or
No,
not?
it doesn't.
Okay.
Nope.
All right.
Just
so
a straight 90
yeah.
or just flat.
Okay.
So.
Very cool. All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Great weeks. Yeah, so very cool. Check them out. It's called Horn Dog Maps, right?
Yep, yep.
Facebook, Instagram. All right, cool. very, very cool stuff. And the show special is 15% off, right?
Yep, yep.
Okay. Check it out, guys.
We got a Facebook.
Yep. All right, so we got some UV glowing glitter. Oh, okay. Electric UV. Oh, you got some real stuff here too. Okay, cool. $5.99. Original stop sign. Glitter tail. Custom rod show special. Buy the second half off.
Tiny ones right here.
Oh yeah, different kind of jigs. Yep. Okay.
Golden shiny.
Yeah. JR Tackle. Oh, okay. JR Tackle. Okay. So this is a local shop here. They have lots of these cool stuff. All right.
10.
Clam. The Clam Clan. One of the main people of this place. So they got lots of stuff here. Single. Flip
Single me.
Single. We got lots of them here for you guys to see. You want to check them out? Come check them out. There are a lot of them. All local based in Minnesota too. So check out your spacings. You know, get in one, look at them, look at the space. See how the space looks like.
Big 2-1 over here.
Lots of different models.
This one has a big one.
All right, so in this aisle they have razor ice augers, augers.
You know, my whole
Size Blaine brothers.
get it. It's like a little bit after
Sorry.
All right, Blaine brothers got the regular stuff, the scout, macho minnows. What is this? Blaine brothers clothing 20% off. Engel coolers 20% off. Ron Eagle Claw Rock case for $44.99. Ask for Soul Special.
Everybody else has.
What is this?
Look at this.
What? Plastics?
Big ones. Look at those big guys.
Oh. Oh, yeah, those are gigantic. Protein infused plastic. Hello.
Have you heard of Immaculate Lives?
Nope.
I'm sorry.
Nope.
We're out of Big Lake, Minnesota, and
Okay.
we have a large eyelet, so you can see that that's patented.
Okay.
And you can do a horizontal presentation, or you can just move your knot.
Oh,
and also do a
okay.
vertical presentation as well. So, because it's a larger eyelet, if it's a low light, or you can't see very well, or you forget your reading glasses, you're still able to stay fishing. Same thing with like cold fingers, you're still able to go.
Oh, okay.
So we have currently being sell online only.
Okay.
So this is what it's going to look like in your hand,
Yep.
and it's
Okay.
$4.89 online. We have
Okay.
3 sizes. Here at
Okay.
the show, they're $4 a pack.
Oh, okay.
And if you see the colors behind it, that indicates that they glow.
Oh, okay.
So this will glow chartreuse and green and red still.
Whatever color that is,
Yep.
they'll glow. How long do you have to have them in the UV light to glow? Seconds or
No,
depend, or-
it happens really quickly.
Oh,
You
okay.
charge them really quick.
Okay.
Yep.
Very cool. So I'm guessing what you said is the difference is that that hook you guys have enable you to quickly switch between just a regular drop or
So
horizontal.
that's vertical,
Okay.
and then this is horizontal.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and I haven't seen that before yet. So
Yeah.
that's cool. So you guys in Minnesota too?
Yep. We're out of Big
Alright.
Lake, Minnesota.
Big Lake, okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right, sir.
Let's go.
Yep.
Wait now. Now where is it?
We go to.
Wait now, wait.
We'll go through this first. The bobber buddy. Bobber buddy. What is the bobber buddy?
A bobber buddy,
Yeah, what is that?
it is an ice fishing alarm.
Oh, okay.
So if you're jigging with one, not paying attention to the other,
Yep.
this will watch that line for you. You take the bobber pick,
Okay.
you clip it on the line,
Okay.
goes up and down just like your foam bobber does.
Yep.
You clip it into the bobber buddy,
Okay.
turn it on,
Okay.
set it over the hole.
All right.
When you get a bite,
Yep.
it's going to pull that bobber pick down just like your bobber.
Okay. Oh.
Fish
So I could
on.
be sleeping for some reason, taking a nap. Oh
Absolutely.
crap! You know, there's a fish.
Right, set the hook.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Very cool. So you just pretty much just putting these bobber tip. You don't need. Oh, just because you already have that piece.
Yep, you-
Put on
you-
any line or whatever.
You need a bobber stop.
Okay. Yep. And they set you just your depth.
Adjust your
whatever
depth
it is
by
you
the
need.
bobber stop.
And then you just gotta make sure you put it in. How
Yep.
long does the battery life on this thing? Is it just
A
regular battery?
season or two,
Oh, okay.
because it's not on for very long.
Oh, okay. Sure.
But it's 2 AAAs.
Oh, okay.
So it's
just
normal
easily
stuff.
You can go grab and have and okay.
Correct.
Cool.
Yep.
All right.
Pretty soon fish is gonna jump out. You don't need
Yeah,
fisherman.
it's true. Auto reel you in. All
Show one of
right.
the bobber picks right there. So we include 2 of those bobber picks.
Okay.
Push this out on the end. There they are.
Oh, okay. So it's all stored. You can just have this little. The
Everything's
bobber
here.
buddies, everything's ready set to go in different sizes or whatever, depending upon your holes or setup that you want to do.
So yeah, this is going to be your standard one.
Okay.
And then the shorter one is for the guys that have the safety cover.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
The mounts underneath.
Okay. And then you just. All right. Very cool. Okay, now I know what the bobber buddy is.
Well, that's the bobber
good
buddy,
idea.
and this is the whole sleeve cozy.
Okay.
We just got a patent on this.
Okay. Yep.
So this goes over your plastic, seals
Yep.
at the top, seals at the ice,
Okay.
insulates.
Okay.
One size fits all, roll at the length.
Yep.
Leave that longer so that seals.
Okay.
Now you got an airtight seal.
And you can leave it and it won't ice up, no problems. The
Right,
ice
you
house
got
will be
it,
safe.
right.
Your hole's ready all the time.
You bet.
Okay. Very cool. You guys have, okay, so the bobberbuddy.com for,
You bet.
alrighty. Thank you. Hello.
Hey guys.
What is the line alarm?
Line alarm, you don't know what it is?
Do not know. Like to learn.
Here you go.
All right.
Turn it on.
Okay.
Put your line in.
Yep.
Just have to break the connection.
Okay.
There you go. Fish takes it.
Oh, okay. So you can have this attached whatever, anywhere.
Yep.
And then,
It's instead of a rattle reel.
yep.
All stainless
Okay.
steel.
Yep.
Bright LED light, 80 decibel buzzer. 2 little AAA batteries and they go bad.
Okay.
It floats, so if you drop it in the water,
Oh, okay. You're not losing. It's not
yeah,
gone.
just
Okay.
throw in the water. Whoops. There it floats.
It floats, and it will still work, no problem.
Yep. Take it off, wipe it off in your panel leg, and you're good to go.
Oh, there. Okay. So,
Linealarm.com.
linealarm.com. Okay. Very cool setup here for you people.
Let me show you these two.
Okay. Yeah.
These are the magnetic rod holders.
Okay.
It's held on with an earth tone magnet. There's 33 pounds of force to pull that off.
Oh, dang it.
In the summertime, if you use your shack for camping, you throw
Yep.
in the drawer.
Yep.
Wintertime, have it back on, you're ready to
What the
fish.
heck?
Goes it right or left?
Oh, okay. So you don't have to be too scared of light bumping or any
No,
kind
I mean,
of
this,
rough.
this thing will take a pull and it ain't going nowhere.
Oh, okay, I see. So you can combo these two together
Yep,
for holding
yep.
your rod,
Keeps everything,
safe, and
keeps everything away from the floor so you can walk around the house.
Then you instead of having some kind of
Yep.
on the floor setup. All right, so line alarm fishing rod holder, magnetic, really strong,
Yep.
and you can kind of have this set up with cool line alarm and line alarm.
And we got all these different colors.
Oh, okay. So there's many different colors that you can choose from. Right. Cool. So you said linealarm.com, right?
Yep, yep, that's it.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Yep. Yeah. So these guys are Neptune ice rods. All right, got the pistol grip ice rods. All right. Got it to save your wrist. Easy to hold. So you kind of okay. Very cool. 26-inch light. Different kinds of power in this right here. Oh my God.
But I would do it if I didn't have it on. Yeah. Well, because they got one there that says
Okay, so these reflect what the
Yes.
you do. Okay. You got the ultralight rods right here.
So three links in ultralight, 24, 26, 28.
She will
Okay.
tell me all that.
3 links in light action,
She
24,
might rip
26,
it.
28.
Okay.
And then 2 links in medium.
Okay, for the big
28.
fish.
Yeah, big fish.
Okay.
Big pike.
No, but
anyways,
she's
big pike.
turning more Republican.
Yeah,
Oh,
big
they
white- big
okay.
white fish.
So these are the fish you get actually caught with these
Yep.
poles. Okay.
Very bad for me. She was engaged to a
Ah, all right.
liberal guy.
So got all bases covered. You got the ultralights.
Little guys, the big guy.
Okay, so they got big ones. So Neptune ice rod. What's your site? Is there like a website or Facebook or?
We have a Facebook
Okay.
page,
Yep.
Neptune Ice Rods, and we also have a webpage, www.neptuneicerods.com.
Oh, okay, so NeptuneIceRods.com. So you guys want to
Yeah,
check
local
them out?
Wisconsin company, family owned, 8th year in business.
All right. So you guys been around, know what you're doing, continue to provide something that will work great for people to use.
Absolutely.
Alrighty, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. This is Fish
Daddy.
Fish Daddy. What is Fish Daddy?
Fish Daddy, we got dirty bombs, we got dirty bomb minnows.
What is Dirty Bomb?
So these are water activated.
Okay.
So you come over here, I got a little example for you. So we got a little drop of water here.
Yep, water right there, drop of water.
Yep. This one, so it's not blinking now. You drop it in the water.
Yep.
Drop it in the water. If I can find the water, there you go.
What the heck? It's blinking.
Blinking pink.
So does it always blink or does it stay solid or
so
up to you?
when you pull it out of the water, then it stops blinking. Yep. So it's either blinking or off. Yep.
Okay. And that's just for the Dirty Bomb or
That's
just
for the dirty bombs, yep.
Okay.
Then we got our micro LED spinners, and those ones are interchangeable lights. So we got lights that blink, we got solid lights, and we got blue, red, pink,
So
green.
you kind of custom or choose
Yeah, you can choose your
specific
colors,
to what kind of flash you want or something.
Yep, and we also have rattles too.
Okay.
Yep, so you can interchange them out. If you're not catching something with the lights, you can go with the rattles.
Okay.
We're also the first company, just came out with these this year, to have glow flakes in our
inside
plastics.
the plastic themselves. Okay.
Yep.
So glow flakes inside the plastic.
Yep.
So it doesn't, the whole thing doesn't glow, but those flakes inside.
Correct.
They
Correct.
pop out.
Yep.
So you shine that. Now I drop it in the dark.
Yep.
Those flakes will shine out.
Yep.
Stick out.
So a 30-second charge with your phone.
Yep.
Will last 18 minutes underwater.
You mean just my regular flashlight on my phone? Just hit it for 30 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Drop it in. It lasts for 18 minutes.
Yep.
Do it again. Recharge it. And just repeat the process.
And they're biodegradable, so they're eco-friendly as
so
well.
even eco-friendly.
Yep.
All right.
Yep. They're fantastic.
It is cool. Yeah.
Brand new this year. Nobody else has it.
All right. So
Dirty Bomb Minnow.
Yep, and we're brand new with the Dirty Bomb minnows as well. So that's what this guy is here. It's a same thing as the Dirty Bomb, but it's shaped like a minnow.
Oh, okay. You could just use that as it.
Yep.
Or you don't have to tip it with anything.
Nope.
Just pin in the fish or finicky, whatever. But you
same
could just
thing.
do it.
You put it in the water. We got a little drop of water here. You put it in the water.
Oh, okay.
Sounds like a blade bait too.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yep.
Okay, dang, that is cool.
Yeah.
What is this thing?
This is actually for your net. So on your fishing net.
Okay.
So right now it's off. When you pick up the net, it turns on.
Oh, so you tie it to your net or whatever?
Yeah, it attaches to your net like this here.
Yep.
And then that way, it's on your net when you pick it up.
So you don't have to have your headlight or
Exactly,
whatever.
don't have
You're
to
just
have
ready
your
to go. It's
headlamp
on your net all the time.
Yep, and then it turns off automatically.
Okay, hey, I haven't seen this stuff. Fish Daddy, Dirty Bomb. That does sound very cool. So then these things, it's water activated. You drop it in, and depending on the ones you pick, it could be the colors of light or whatever you choose.
Yeah, we got two different sizes in the black. We got the 16th ounce and the 8th ounce. And then we have silver and gold that come in 8th ounce, 16th ounce, and quarter ounce. And they have all these different colors. We got pink, red, blue, yellow.
Okay.
A whole bunch of colors.
And then these, what would you say? They for all kinds of fishes, panfish, big fish, or doesn't matter? They're like
crappie and walleye.
Okay, so those kind of, and then I'm guessing this eye kind of is like that. Eye kind of give you that lure eye. Okay.
And we got these guys just glow.
Oh, there. Okay.
They glow pretty well. These red ones.
Yep.
Those glow really well.
So you guys make the plastic and you make the jigs.
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And do they combo well together? Then I would imagine they are.
Yeah. So we got the jig. We got the tungsten jig right here.
Yep.
We also new this year as well. We got a new tungsten jig that's actually indestructible. You can smash it with a hammer.
Which one is that?
That's these ones right over here.
Yellow. I only got so much.
So they're white, but then you charge them up and they're blue.
Oh. Okay, so non-charged, they're white.
Yep.
But once you hit UV on it, they turn. Oh, okay, yep, I can kind of see that blue glow.
Yep.
And that's the only color, or you guys have different colors?
So this is the only color that's indestructible this year.
Okay,
We're making more. But, yeah, you can wrench on them all day long, and you're not going to crack the paint. Yeah, you can chew on it. You can hit it with a hammer.
Dang, okay.
Same with these big ones.
On it and tell me if it breaks.
Same with these big ones. You can hit them with
Same
a hammer.
thing? Okay,
and they won't break. Yep.
So they won't get
paint.
chipped or whatever. They just stay.
Yeah, you can hit rocks all day long, and you're not
You're
gonna.
just banging and jigging, no problem. They
That's
keep
right.
going. Okay.
Yep. And this is what our action looks like with our
Oh, okay.
red
Yep.
glows.
The red glows. Okay.
And the dirty bum minnows in there as well.
Okay.
Blinking red.
Can't see the blink right now. Is it blinking? Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. Okay.
See if I can get her to turn around.
Oh, it's on the other side? Oh,
When
okay.
it's dark.
Okay, yeah.
shows
Then
up
you're,
really
yeah,
well,
yeah. Okay, I see. Ah, okay. So what happens if the battery dies? Or does
Then
it?
you just replace. Then you replace the whole thing.
Okay, so you buy another new one.
Yep.
And you
However, with the spinners,
Yep.
you can replace the lights.
Okay, so you can just buy
Yep.
lights.
These ones last up to 90 hours.
Okay.
The dirty bombs last up to 70 hours.
Okay.
Yep.
But
So
if
solid
you're
weekend fishing.
okay, so you buy a couple ones, it'll last you, you know, good outings and
Yep.
stuff.
Yep.
And plus you choose different colors, but then you're so okay. So you say
Yep.
these guys you can
And
change.
here's all your replacement stuff
Okay.
down here. Yep.
So then you don't actually have to buy a whole new one, but you can just pick the colors and lights you have.
Yep.
All right. Very cool. So Fish Daddy. What's
Daddy
you guys?
Outdoors.
Fish Daddy Outdoors. What's your website or Facebook, or you guys have that?
Here we go.
Let's see. Fish Daddy Outdoors. Okay. Very cool. So you guys get.
Oh, here these.
You guys will be here at the show here.
Yep,
so
we'll be here all weekend.
All right. Sounds
Awesome.
good. Thank you.
For like
Yep.
2 shows already. So you.
So G. Hey. How you doing? Staying busy?
Trying to,
Yeah. So you got all your cool stuff here. Done some jig bass king, you guys. You guys know this place, so go help support them. Check out their stuff and build your rods. Custom rods right here. All the setup and everything you need to get going. Very cool. Different colors, different types of stuff. So definitely a place to come check out. And he has all the stuff at his store too. So. And everything you have here is all at your store too, right? So nothing that can't be provided. So yeah, we've got some built rods here ready for purchase. And his shuttles, yep. We do have these shuttles. So you guys are looking for shuttles replacements, you know, make it lighter. We do have all these. We do build them too, so you can order them. Hit him up on his Facebook, social media, or his store. Stop by his store. He has a store, so. Yeah, like this. You got this cool life scope setup. Bass King shuttle, you know, all ready to go and help you get to do your ice fishing. All right, so, yep, got all his cool shuttles here. So those are Bass King shuttles. He makes them. He can build them for you. Reach out to him. You got interest in any of them? Yep, all different kinds of shuttles are ready to go. So definitely lots of gardening setup shuttles here. You'll be the guy for that setup. That's what you want. All right, so let's keep going here. Howdy. Hey, doing good. What is this?
Just for your ice houses. Just
Oh, okay.
house sleeves.
Oh, house sleeves. Okay.
Yeah, just pull them right out. Fully adjustable. Roll them up and down to whatever ice depth you're
Okay.
at.
Okay.
Yeah, it's easy storage compared to the plastic ones over there.
Yep.
Oh,
so you,
to the one.
so you don't need to have that.
Nope.
You,
These
you
are
could
just their separate thing and just all
you just set it there, and then it will keep your hole nice and open, and it won't freeze up or anything. And you can adjust it depending on what you need. Okay.
Yeah, up and down.
Okay.
Nice, easy.
Dang, they got this cool cover to just
Oh yeah,
also.
that's just, yeah, right there.
Oh, okay. Ah.
You can jump up and down on this little display.
Oh, okay. And then, oh, to keep it.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Keeps it so you don't fall in.
Yeah. In the middle of the night or whatever. Oh.
Yeah, we go Thursday through Sunday. You got all that snowbank, and then turn on your house heat, melts it right down.
Oh, dang. Okay. It gets already ready to go.
All the drafts are gone.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So those are some cool hole covers. That's what you're interested. We got JT Outdoors technique specific lines. So, do different kind of rods and things that you need. So 10% off rods, 15% off reels, free item, So, okay.
Oh, not that one.
What else they got?
Yeah, you'll be alright. Just throw it down there.
Lift another 5, 4.
Remember that guy?
Oh yeah, yeah, Wallace decoys.
This guy was cool.
Yeah, we got some very cool decoys. Wallace decoys. Wallace decoys.
Pelican is up near Brainerd.
Future English.
Yep.
Minnesota.
Yep. Pelican's up near Brainerd. Clearwater is 10. So,
That lake doesn't have handmade folk.
The guys that were up there,
Back to Thornborough. Grill.
Yeah, I don't get these things.
We brought it home to our taxi.
All right, I think we're back to the clam area. Okay. Yep. Oh, here's a snow dog. Very cool thing. You wanna not have to snowmobile. Ride that thing. Take you all over. Riverline series. We got master bait and hook, all your fishing needs. Identify as a fish. Yep. Relevant. Vetron technology.
Yeah, I've been working on this for about 3 years. So my molds are just at my plastic up and down Rogers.
Main Street, Vaughn, Sunday after show. Bay resorts. Maybe first part of the fish right now. Okay, so all kinds of cool stuff. Otter. Got their circle house. Right? So, right. I guess I'll let. Oh yeah.
It is, it's just
Big house. Up north sports.
You're pulling my leg. There's no way.
$200 bucks. That's what I got.
Expo. Go
Less than last year.
Up north sports.
I think 400.
Hard
Oh,
water.
yeah, remember that? I just looked up.
Oh yeah, yeah. That. Oh, careful.
And we're back over here.
Yep, we're back here. Now we can go to your cool. You can go to your cool truck pond, right?
No, we don't have to go there.
You don't have to. Why?
Why, do
Why
you
don't
want
you
to?
want to go there? Well, we can. You want to go there? You going there?
How's it going, guys?
Hey, going good, you?
Not too bad.
All right.
Yeah, sure, I guess we can.
We can go give it a try. Oh, Rapella. Yep, we got the cool stuff here. Mounting rack, wheelhouse system. All right. So, yep, this show goes on until Sunday. Sunday. So. Yay! There's a net. Get the net here.
You know the little ones be grabbing that thing.
Yay! Yeah, finally!
Do I unhook them? Yep.
You want to hook up or no? Okay.
Well, it's out.
It's up. There you go. You got the big guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, finally.
Not cheating.
Without cheating, yeah.
Really.
Good.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Yeah. So.
Now I finally got one from the cheaper.
Yep. Finally got one. So, yep. Let's take the kids up for fun. Come here. Let's, buy a ticket, and then you can do some fishing. So. Alright, hard water ice fishing expo. Friday and Saturday. Alright. Yep, purchase tickets here. Either center you can buy tickets, and then this one has the trout pond, the welcome center, and then the expo, the sport expos center has the main vendors, like the main where most of them are at. So yeah, pretty cool. Second time coming. This is second year coming, so pretty cool to get cool place to get started. Hopefully my audio is not too bad. If it is, I will be narrating over my videos. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy that. Check it out. One of the first ice fishing show to kick off our Minnesota season. So until next one, guys, stay safe. Peace.